Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm a fitness instructor here in Petawawa, and today I'm going to teach you how to use the reverse hyper machine. It's an excellent exercise for developing and strengthening your lower back as well as your glutes. There are a few moving parts, so first I'm just going to show you how this machine adjusts. I'll slide this out here so you can see it. Right here is where the plates will go. Try it unweighted at first, I promise. This is where your feet will go. You can adjust the length of this attachment with this right here, as well as adjust the length of the handle. So you can move these closer in depending on how long your arms are. So I'll just show you how to get into it. You're gonna slide one foot between the two pads, step onto the side and lift up, just the top of the hip bones, right at the edge of the mat as you reach for the handles. The other foot finds the other side of the pads. Brace the core, brace the glutes. Big squeeze at the top and slowly lower down. So you're not hyperextending through the spine. You're just coming up to neutral. Slow, steady reps. And when you're done, just step that foot out to the side and slowly lower down. Give that a try, and you can always ask your unit's fitness instructor for more information.